Hello everyone and welcome to Quiz Heat. In today's Sipsational Showdown, we'll flash you a lineup of drink emojis, and you've got to guess what's in your glass. Think you've got the juice to nail them all? Then subscribe for more thirst-quenching games, and let's dive in. That's right, it's milk. Starbucks. Orange Crush. Apple Juice. Hot Chocolate. Dr. Pepper. Dole. Water. Red Bull. Fanta. Rockstar. Orange Juice. Corn Milk. Chocolate Milk. Sunkissed. Sprite. Story. Green tea. Sparkling water. Coconut water. Snapple. Seven Up. Lime soda. Goat milk. Blue Moon. Winter Melon Tea. Lipton. Iced tea. Oat milk. Thumbs up.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you had a great time on our channel. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this, and see you in the next video.